ATC, my greetings to you all. My name is Benita Mbwaya. I'm a former student of Karnataka College. So today my topic is about happiness. First of all, I would like to define happiness. What is happiness? Happiness is a state of being happy with what we have and who we are. Happiness is an attitude that we keep in any kind of situation. A situation may be painful or hurtful, even also joyful moments. And the happiness also may be defined as the feeling that comes from within. Happiness is something that we may also create ourselves. And we have also to know that there are some misunderstanding of happiness. The first point of misunderstanding is it is not everyone who smiles that means that he is a happy person or a joyful person. Maybe this person is going through some difficult situation in a secret place, but when he is in front of people, he's showing his smile, is showing that he is a smile person or a happy person. And how to know that this person who is smiling always and this happiness doesn't come from within? Because in the beginning I said that happiness must come from within. How to know that this happiness for that person doesn't come from within? We have to approach that person and start talking with that person, and we'll come out to know that this person is not joyful within of him. In responding, the way of responding, or the way that the person will react when we start talking to him. We come to understand that the smile that the person is showing when he is in front of many people, it is not, this smile doesn't come from within. And happiness is not the portrait that we have, or the portrait that we look, the way that we look in front of people. Happiness must come from within. If we are in front of people and we are smiling we have to smile, that is not a true happiness. And the second misunderstanding is sometimes we assume or we conclude that happiness is based on being rich or having more money or doing shopping every time or travel to all around the world. Sometimes we conclude that is the true happiness. But if we are not doing those things with the feeling that comes from within, that is not a true happiness. And happiness is not based on having more money or having many clothes and so on. How to create our happiness or our proper happiness? The first thing that we have to know is to accepting yourself. Accept yourself as you are. I have also to accept myself as I am. Accept your defaults. Take them in positive way. Take your defaults in positive way. Accept your color of skin. Accept your height. You may be short or tall. Accept yourself as you are. It will avoid you to invite people. It will avoid you to avoid others. Accept yourself as you are. And if you are not accepting yourself as you are, you may lack confidence in you. Yeah, you may lack confidence in you. You will not be sure of you. Be proud of who you are. As you were created, be proud of you. That is the first point of creating your own happiness. The second point of creating your own happiness, we need to forgive and forget. Because when someone does a wrong things to you, you have to forgive and move on. Because when you will live with that pain, you will prison your own happiness. You will not be able to go forward. You will be prevented for many things. So you have to forgive and move on. The third point is surrounding yourself with positive people. Surrounding yourself with positive environment, because when we are surrounding with negative environment or negative people, it will affect your happiness. And when you surround yourself with positive people, you will be always a joyful person. You will be always a happy person. And I would like to end up my topic in saying that choose to be happy in no matter the situation. Choose to be happy. try to create your own happiness in surrounding yourself with positive people, in accepting yourself as you are, and in forgiving and forgetting the pains. Thank you.
So I'm really sure that you enjoy these moments, but people, don't miss out to subscribe to our channel. Please like, share the link as well. Thank you.